Alright, so when we're drawing a diagram, I want you to know that we always start with 0 being north over here. So as you're going around, this would be 90 degrees, this would be 180 degrees, and this would be 270 degrees. Okay, so just always remember in the north, we start at 0. So bearings are always given from the north and can be anything from 0 degrees all the way around to 360 degrees. 90 degrees is given as due, what do you think it will be? East. 180 is given as due, south. And 270 will be given as due, west. Okay, so make sure you understand that. Bearings always have 3 figures. So if you say 0, or the number 2, it's placed in the form of the angles less than 100, placed at the form of angles less than 100 degrees. So 47 is given as 047, and 2 would be 002. So they always have 3 figures. Okay. You can have a look at other examples. All right. So this is the kind of question you're going to get. Point A to point B on a bearing of 64 degrees and a distance of 20 kilometers. So first thing you do is you've got your point A. Make a little point there. You then now know that that's north. Okay. So now you're going to have to go 64 degrees from north. So there you go at your 64 degrees. You draw your line and your distance will be 20 kilometers, and therefore you've placed point B. Okay. There you've got your 20 kilometers. Point A to point B at a distance of 20. What is the bearing from B to point A? Okay, so now we're going to go the other way around. So let's look at this. Well, we're going to start with our due north. So in order to go in that direction, we're going to go all the way around. So that would be 224 degrees. Okay, and then you're obviously going to go down 20 kilometers to get you to point A. So the beach is on the bearing of 64 degrees from the airport at the distance of 20 kilometers, which is what we've done. How far east is the beach from the airport? So here we've got ours. We've got the beach is at a bearing of 64 degrees from the airport at a distance of 20 kilometers. Now they want to know how far east is the beach from the airport. So now we have to draw a line to the east. Can you see there? We've just drawn a line to the east. Then we complete it. We don't know what that is because that's what the question is. And we complete it to make a right angled triangle. Right, step 1. Draw your initial bearings. That's how we start. So we drew exactly what they said we had to do. Okay, let's keep the little thing there. You can write these down. There we go. Right. Step 2. Complete the triangle. So now they've said they want it east. So there we go, east. And we don't know what we want there. That's going to be our X. And we close it up. So we complete the triangle. Okay, step 3. Use the angle facts to find the angle of the triangle. So whatever angle facts, if you want to use Pythagoras or if you want to use trig, that's what you're going to use to be able to work out. You know that the hypotenuse is 20. You know that it's 26 degrees. So therefore, you could work out the one side. Okay, step 4. Label your OA and H using SOHCAHTOA to choose whichever trig function you're going to use. There you go. So they're saying we've got the H, we want the A, so we use cos and work it out. And you're able to get that side. Okay, so guys, go ahead, go slowly through this and let's see how you can work it out.